Have you ever wanted to change your look, maybe completely bleach out your hair, but you're not ready for that expensive price tag of going to the salon for touch-ups every 4 to 6 weeks? Milano Collection makes it easy to customize your dream look. With a simple click of a few buttons and an inspiration photo, you'll be able to achieve your ideal look with a simple wig, such as the Divine or our noteworthy ponytail wig. Milano's pre-cut gallery is the perfect option for new wig wearers or seasoned wig wearers looking to find an amazing selection of wigs that are already pre-cut and pre-styled and can be customized to whatever your specific needs are. Choose from hundreds of wigs in a wide variety of colors and lengths and find your perfect wig within the pre-cut gallery. Once you have selected your ultimate base that you find is closest to your ideal match, go ahead and select your secure method. Next, pick your cap size. Milano's wigs are unique because they can be adjusted to fit a small, medium, or large cap. Choose whatever size is best for you. The last step to your customization process is choosing from Milano's noteworthy color services. Within the drop-down checkboxes, you will find a wide variety of color options, including rootings, balayage, highlights, lowlights, and other services. Choose whatever fits your desired look. When you are ready to check out with your wig in the cart, go ahead and choose from Milano's easy options for checkout. We accept all major credit cards, PayPal credit with 12 months optional financing, and our newest addition, Buy Now, Pay Later, with easy installments of your payments spread out between 12 months. Once you have selected your ideal payment, go ahead and leave notes in the checkout referencing your inspiration photo and any other desired notes that you may need for care on your wig. And you're ready to go. Once your order is received, a Milano stylist will get assigned to your customization project and give you a complimentary call to go over your desired look sent from your inspiration photo. Once the two of you have decided on the ultimate look, the stylist will go ahead and start the coloring process. This particular order is asking for a dropped rooting with a smudge shadow effect, ashing out the platinum blonde hair for that trending gray hint, and also doing a face frame. In addition, the customer would like it styled with a loose beachy wave in lieu of the inspiration photo. All Milano stylists are board-certified cosmetologists with years of experience and classes behind their belt in precision cutting and color. All Milano wigs and customization projects get approved with a 4-point inspection by the stylist and our team of wig experts before they are shipped out to consumers. Once it has met all our rigorous expectations and checkpoints, it is then shipped off to the customer. Each Milano Divine comes with a special Divine kit. The kit comes with a beautiful brochure that explains tips and tricks for how to care for your special lace-featured wig. Inside your Milano Divine kit, you will find a patent-pending lace wig grip, especially designed for all lace-top wigs and frontals. A teasing comb, perfect for styling and fluffing your wig on the go to create that natural effect. An extra hairline brush, which is needed when on the go or as a spare, and a scalp illusion kit, which comes with a quad of customizable cream concealers and one hairline brush inside to create that ultimate natural scalp illusion on your lace top wigs. Once you have received your wig, be sure to take it out of the packaging and fluff it. It's ideal to put the wig on a head so it can hold its optimal shape. Milano Collection Wigs is able to achieve your ideal wig look and make it look just like your natural hair. The styling and customization possibilities are endless. Find the perfect wig for the perfect you.